Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing ChatOn AI versus ChatGPT. So if you don't know what these two are, ChatOn AI is a budget-friendly AI assistant using GPT-based models designed for writing, productivity, summarization, and creative tasks. Offers tools like grammar checks, voice-to-text, and document handling. While ChatGPT, on the other hand, is OpenAI's powerful AI chatbot based on GPT-4, capable of natural conversations, coding help, creative writing, and image generation. It is widely used for both personal and professional tasks. Now let's go over the pros and cons, starting with ChatOn AI here. So the pros of ChatOn AI is that it is intuitive, task-based interface, it is cheaper, it has cheaper subscription plans, multi-language support, built-in tools for PDFs, voice, text, and formatting. Now the cons of it is that it has fewer features in the free version, it has limited integration options, and it has a smaller community and support base. Now let's go over to ChatGPT. So the pros of ChatGPT is that it is the industry-leading language model, which is GPT-4. It has broad use cases, for example, like writing, coding, and images. It has a strong ecosystem and third-party integrations. And it has regular updates and improvements. Now, the cons of ChatGPT is that it is more expensive, especially ChatGPT 4 access, and it is overkill for basic tasks, and may throttle under high traffic. So, if a lot of users are using ChatGPT or GPT-4, you may have a hard time getting answers, and it has long wait times. Now, which one is right for you? So you should use ChatOn if you want a simple, affordable assistant for writing and document tasks, and go with ChatGPT if you need a powerful, multi-purpose AI with deeper capabilities, especially for coding, reasoning, or complex content. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.